Yo, what's good you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from Ecstasy Tunes. In this video, I'm going to show you guys a very simple but powerful technique that you can use to enhance your beat making and music production right now. Okay, if this is your first time here, I'd like to welcome you all to join the Ecstasy Tunes family by subscribing to the channel, turn on notification and smash the like button, and also share this video to all your friends and family. Okay, I do a lot of music production, beat making, cubase tips and tricks, and all that kind of cool video. And if you like that kind of content, please join the family. Alright, so without further ado, let's jump right in. I have this beat made. Okay, it's a very simple beat I just made to demonstrate this technique. Most of the time when you watch a tutorial video about mixing, the engineers will always tell you that you need to have a good arrangement before you go into mixing phase, but they won't really explain to you what good arrangement means. Alright, so that is why I'm here to help you guys understand what a good arrangement is. Okay, and it all starts with understanding that we only have 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz to mess around in the audio spectrum. Okay, once you understand this basic stuff about the frequency spectrum, you will know how to arrange or to produce the beat in a more cohesive and balanced way. Okay, the key of this beat is in A minor, and you can see the chords here. Let me play for you. So it's basically a slow jams R&B kind of beat. Okay, now we have this electric piano playing the A minor chord, A minor 7, go to C major 9, and it goes to G dominant 7, goes to F major 7, and E dominant 7. And when you look at the bass note here, I'm basically playing the root note of each of this chord, except for the C dominant, sorry, C9 here. I'm playing the second inversion or third inversion based on the type of note. Okay, C, E, G are the notes in C major chord, so C, E, G, and I'm using the third note of C major as the bass note here. Okay, but it goes back to root up here, and then it moves down to G, and then it goes to F major 7 and move up to the third of the chord, which is A, and move down to E, and then move up to E as well. It's an octave up. Okay, so the technique I'm going to show you guys is to use rootless chords to create the space between the bass and the piano, electric piano chords. Okay, actually it's not only for electric piano, for any chords for that matter. So I'm going to remove this E here, E, and here I'm going to remove the C. Okay, and here let's remove the G and F major 7. I'm going to remove the F and the E here. So basically now we have the same chords, but we have removed the root of the chord, and here I think I can just bring this up to have more space below here for the lower note. Okay, so now let's hear the chord again. basically I didn't do much. I didn't add any low pass filter. I didn't do any type of mixing or balancing. I just take out some of these notes which is occupying the lower register. This one is rootless and the other one is the original chord. So let's play both of them and you can see or hear the difference, okay? So I'm not sure whether you guys heard the difference, but I can definitely hear the difference. Okay, let's play both the bass and the electric piano. See, basically it's a very simple technique, but it works well, and it is very important to have a properly arranged track, so it will sound so good together, and it's gonna really help the engineers to mix the track well, okay? And this not only applies for the chords and the bass, you can use this technique to any other instrument. I believe that